Okay, for the zero law or for the zero index, when a number or letter except 0 is raised to the power 0, the result is 1. Just like what we can see here. Now when you have any number raised to the power of 0, the result is 1, provided a is not equal to 0. And we have this following example. And let's look at how we are going to solve these together. Now for the first one, we have 10 raised to the power 0 is equals to 1. And for the second one here, minus 299 raised to the power 0. Now this is going to be in this way. Minus into bracket 299 raised to the power 0. So 299 raised to the power 0 is 1. That's 1 times minus. So that is minus 1. And we have the third one, where you have into bracket minus 299 then raised to the power 0. Now everything in the bracket including minus is raised to the power 0, and the answer here is 1, as we can see. And the next part of that question is we have 5 raised to the power 44, 5 raised to the power minus 2 times 5 raised to the power 2. Now this is going to be 5 raised to the power minus 2 plus 2, and that is going to be 5 raised to the power 0, and the answer is 1. Then the next part, the number 5 part, is you're having b raised to the power 3 times b raised to the power 4 times b, then divided by b raised to the power 6 times b raised to the power 2. Yeah, this is going to be b raised to the power 3 plus 4 plus 1 divided by b raised to the power 6 plus 2. So this is going to be b raised to the power 8 divided by b raised to the power 8, and it's going to be b raised to the power 8 minus 8, and that is b raised to the power 0, and finally the answer is 1, also, as you can see it there. So this is how to apply the law of 0 or 0 index under the law of indices, as we have taken it one by one, and you can see how it is being explained for easier understanding. So let's go to the next part.